thing I cannot eat. What's going on? Hey, yo, is this thing working? This thing on? Oh yeah, we good. Another weekend. I hope everybody had a great week. This video right here, I'm going to be talking about or showing you all the food that I ate while I was in Thailand and Philippines. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment. Leave a comment below. Like, you know, any suggestions, something that I should eat later, because I'm going back next. You'll see a video. You'll see a vlog on that. I'm going back very, very soon to Thailand. One more thing I wanted to say is, make sure you try to get you a passport and travel. There is so much to see around the world. For me, you know, I joined the military back in 2003 or 2002 when I got out in 2005. So that was kind of my extra boost, you know, to travel. Like, I traveled because I was in the military, but if I wasn't in the military, I wish I would have had someone that would have told me to travel. So I want to be that person for someone out there that's watching the video. Hey, get you a passport and travel, because there's a lot for you to see in the world. I've been talking too much. Let's get to this video. Hope you enjoy. Got me some mangoes, dog. Bam, get that. Yeah. One, two, three, four. Bust it.
You never had this?
Emotional damage.
Thank you. It's so hard to say goodbye.